Okay. So, okay. So, what is the question number 9? It is written on the screen, means on the blackboard. Okay. What is that question? Question is explain how soil pollution and soil erosion could be prevented. Okay. So, please mute everyone. Mute. Okay. I am only muting. Okay. So, everyone is now muted. Now, just I will use color mic. So, question number 9 is how soil pollution and soil erosion could be prevented. So, the prevention of soil pollution. Okay, how soil pollution can be prevented? Just see, it is written there. It can be prevented by reducing the use of fertilizer, banning the use of plastics, reducing the use of insecticide and pesticide. Means if these things are minimized or banned, then soil pollution can be prevented. Okay, no issue. Please indicate me. Yes. So always remember, soil pollution can be prevented by reducing the use of fertilizer. Instead of fertilizer, what should be used? Organic manure should be used. Okay. Now reduce the use of insecticide and pesticide. You know, to kill the pest and other harmful insects. What they are using? They are using pesticide and insecticide. So their use should be minimized, and banning the use of plastic. Plastic is very harmful. It is non-biodegradable substance. Their use should be banned so that the soil cannot be prevented. Next one is prevention of soil erosion. How soil erosion can be prevented? So while explaining the chapter already I told you the number one thing is it stop deforestation, means cutting of trees should be stopped. Increasing afforestation means planting more and more trees. Third one is increasing green vegetation in desert areas. Okay, in desert areas green vegetation should be increased. If these measures are taken, then automatically the erosion of soil can be prevented. So, what are the three measures here? Stopping deforestation, increasing afforestation, and increasing green vegetation in desert areas. Not, I am not audible. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now am I audible now? Am I audible? Hello. Okay. So instead of school Wi-Fi, I am using my net now. Okay. So please write down this one. Am I audible now? Please indicate. Okay. So please note down these things. Okay. So in this way, question number 9 is over. Question number 9 is over. And I hope that you have completed this one. Now, question number 10 is solve the crossword puzzle. Okay. Now, just see here in page number 196, question number 10. Question number 10. Here, crossword puzzle is given. What is given? Crossword puzzle. So, what I am doing now, across in crossword puzzle there are two parts, across and down. Okay, so in across, number 2, what is that one? Plantation prevented. So what does plantation prevent? Plantation, answer I wrote. Plantation prevent erosion. Okay, so this is the answer. In blocks of second number, you should write erosion. Okay, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Please indicate. Okay, so erosion. Now, across only number 5, you should be banned to avoid soil pollution. So plastic, okay. Just see here answer I wrote. Type of soil used for making pottery. So which soil is used for making pottery? Clay. Okay. Now 7 number. Living organism in the soil. So which organism is found? There are so many organisms. According to box you should write. Earthworm. What is the answer? Earth here and WOR here. Earthworm. This is the right answer. Okay. So now in across 2, 5, 6, 7, these 4 boxes are given, and there you should write these answers. Okay. So I hope that you are getting this one. Okay. Am I audible or not? Please indicate. Yes. Am I audible? Okay. So across these are the things. Once again, I am telling number 2, plantation prevented. So what does plantation prevent? Erosion. You should be banned to avoid the soil pollution. Plastic. Type of soil used for making pottery, clay. Living organism in the soil, earthworm. So just see, boxes are given. Okay, box are given, and one letter you should fill in. You should fill in each boxes. Erosion, then plastic, clay, and earthworm. Okay. Now down. Down means what is there? Across means horizontal boxes, horizontal column. Down means vertical, vertically. So down first one is, what is the first number? In desert, soil erosion occur through wind. What is the correct answer? Wind. Okay, this is the wind. Now, some more things are there. Clay and loam are suitable for cereals like third number, wheat. Okay, so let me write here this side. Down only I am writing. Okay, so I will rub upper side. Okay, here. Just a minute. So down one is here. Now second is here. Second. What is the second number? Sorry, third number. Clay, clay and loam. Clay and loam are are suitable for cereals like cereals cereals like. So what is the answer? Answer is wheat. Wheat. Next one is, this type of soil can hold very little water. Fourth number. This type of soil. Okay. Am I audible? Please indicate. Am I audible? Okay. So this type of soil can hold very little water. So what is the answer? Answer is very little water. Sandy. 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 Okay. third number, not third number, four number, sorry, four number. Sandy. Okay. Now next number is five number. Collective names for layers of soil. Fifth number is collective names for layers of soil. Let me check this one. Five number. Profile. Fifth number. Collective. Collective. This is fifth number. Collective name for layers of soil. So what is that one? Profile. Profile. Okay. Profile. Yes, this is the answer. So in this way, all I have completed. Okay. So please indicate. Now I am removing the caller mic. You can ask your doubts. Okay. Profile. So I have solved the crossword puzzle. Okay. Please unmute. Okay. Not polythene. Just a minute. Yes, polythene. Polythene. Okay. Which number it is? Fifth across. Polythene. Okay. So just see. Rub this one. Don't worry. Just a minute. I will correct it. Polythene. 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 Okay. Just a minute. Polythene. Yes, it is correct now. Polythene. Okay. No issue. Yes. Where? No, no. It's okay. You should be went to avoid soil pollution. You just count the boxes. According to number of boxes you should write. Okay. So in this way, your this chapter is hello. According to the number of boxes you should write. Hello. Yes. So ask if your doubt is there. Otherwise, I will proceed to the next chapter. That is respiration in organism. Okay. Yes. Your question is most welcome. Spurti. Please. Yeah. Yes. Now just see. Annuling. Okay. Just see. Now that cockroach has frightened you or not? Did you do the experiment with that? Oh, and after some time again it will become black. Don't worry. That is called annealing. Same means snake is also doing the same thing. Okay, they means they are removing their upper layer of skin time to time. Okay, this is one type of cleaning of, hello. This is one type of cleaning of their body. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Yes, ask. Only one by one ask. Which? Hello? Ask one by one, otherwise again I will mute. Hello? Ask one by one. Hello? Nobody is asking anything. Hello? Nobody is asking anything. Hello? Nobody is asking anything. So I should proceed to the chapter number 10. What is the question number 7? Earthworm. What na? Just see. Earthworm. Living organism in the soil. Earthworm. I wrote. Just check this side. 7 number is written. Right hand side of the book. Okay. So in this way your this chapter is completed. Shall I proceed towards the chapter number 10, that is respiration in organism. Okay. Okay. So again I am applying the color mic. Will rub the things which are written on the blackboard. Okay. And will write chapter number 10. Okay. So just to see here. Now I am proceeding towards the chapter number 10. Okay. What is the name of chapter number 10? The page number is 101. Page number is 108. 108. What is the chapter name? Respiration in organism. Respiration in respiration in respiration in organism. Organism. Okay. Just try to understand what is what. Okay. So just think of this word. What is the meaning of respiration? What is the meaning of respiration? Okay, just see. Whenever we are lifting the heavy things, or if we are running, or if we are walking very fastly, then what is there? Our rate of respiration increases. Increases or not? Introduction. First one. Introduction. So just try to understand what is the meaning of respiration. Just see, sometimes if we lift heavy things, if we run fast, or if we walk fast, then what is there? Automatically, what is there? Our breathing rate increases. Okay. So now I am using two words interchangeably. The first one is breathing, second one is the respiration. Okay. So actually, breathing and respiration both are entirely different from people. Breathing means taking in air and giving out air. That is called breathing. Okay. And respiration is much more complicated than breathing. Okay. Respiration is breathing. Breathing is the part of respiration. Means what is the meaning of breathing? Breathing means just taking in air and giving out air. That is called breathing. respiration is a complicated process. Breathing is just a physical process. Okay. Respiration is a chemical process also. Okay. So the understand here. First, I should explain you the need of respiration. Why do we respire? What are here? Why do we respire? Okay. Why do we respire? So here we respire to, number one, get energy. To get energy. That is the first one. Okay. And now question arises here. How do we get the energy? By respiration. Just see. When we respire, am I not audible? Yes. Am I audible now? Am I audible? Am I audible now? Yes. Am I audible? Hello. Please indicate. Please indicate. Nobody is indicating. Okay. So just to see. The first question is why we respire? Actually, we respire to get energy. To get energy. Question arises here. How do we get energy? By respiration. When we respire, then what is there? Oxygen gas goes to each cells of our body and it breaks the food which we have taken. So what is the meaning of this one? Why do we respire? To get energy. Second one thing is to break down food into to break down food into pieces pieces so that energy can be released. Energy can be released. First one, what is the third one thing? Why do we respire? We respire to release harmful carbon dioxide gas. Okay, we respire to release harmful carbon dioxide gas. Release harmful carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So these are the some reason that is why we respire. Okay. These are the some of the reason because of which we respire. Okay. So now next question is what is the meaning of respiration? What is the meaning of respiration? Respiration is the process of, okay, am I audible now? Okay. Huh? Did you get this one? Why do we respire? We respire to get energy. We respire to break down food into pieces so that energy can be released. Release harmful carbon dioxide gas from the body. Okay? These are the some of the reason because of which we respire. Yes? Just a minute. Huh? Hello? E Energy. Okay. You can correct. I will also correct. Don't worry. Okay. Energy. No problem. Okay, next one I am going to write the definition of respiration. What is respiration? What is respiration? What is respiration or what is cellular respiration? What is cellular respiration? Respiration. Okay. So what is the definition of this one? Okay, so what is the answer here? Just see. Answer is it is the process of breaking down of breaking down of food, breaking down of food and release of energy, release of energy. Since since this process takes place takes place in each cell, hence 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 called called cellular cellular respiration, cellular respiration. Okay, yes. Now that is enough for today. Now just unmute everyone. Unmute. Okay. Yes, please unmute and ask your doubts. Hello. Hello. Ah, yes. Ask your. So just see, try to understand. I started the chapter number 10. First, I told you the meaning of means introduction. Introduction means respiration is one type of process, and there are two terms which are used interchangeably. That is breathing and respiration. But both are entirely different. Breathing means taking in air and giving out air. That is called breathing. But respiration is complex process. Meaning of respiration is process of breaking down of food and release of energy. Since this process takes place in each cell of the body, hence it is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Now question arises here, why do we respire? So we respire to get energy. We respire to break down food into pieces so that energy can be released, and we required to release carbon dioxide gases. Okay. Okay. Any doubt you can ask now. Please ask your doubt. Now, Ramesh, just you unmute everyone. Nobody should present. Hello. Ask one by one. What is your doubt? How do just one by one ask? Huh? Hmm. Huh? Ask. Your wife. Huh? How this snake? Just see, all organism has got the different breathing organs. Okay, we have got the lungs. Lungs is our breathing organ, but snake breathe through skin. Okay, they don't have well defined, like earthworm also breathe through skin. Okay, so just see, each animal has got different breathing organs. Okay, Yes. Anybody else? Now in this chapter it is there. I will explain later on. Hmm. Just try to understand. Inside the body, only one gas is released. That is carbon dioxide gas. What is that one? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas. But while taking in air, all gases are going to our lungs. But in the blood, hemoglobin is there. Hemoglobin has got great friendship with the oxygen. So it will make bond with the oxygen, and now that oxygen will supply to entire body. Okay, and the rest of the gases will come out. Anybody else? Hello. Of course, just see, that's only Spurti I told you, na? When we take in air at that time, along with the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and some other harmful gases also goes to our lungs. But in lungs, what is there? Small blood vessels are there, and blood keeps flowing on those blood vessels. So what would be there? In blood, there is a one red color pigment that is called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin will make bond with oxygen only, and the rest of the gases will come out along with the carbon dioxide which is coming out already. But inside the body only one gas is generated, that is carbon dioxide. Yes, just tomorrow's class I will tell you what are the products which are formed during the breaking of food. Okay. Now today just I introduce you the topic, and the meaning of respiration is process of breaking down of food and release of energy. But remember, breathing and respiration both are entirely different. You can say respiration is the broader term and breathing is a smaller term, and it is a part of respiration. Okay, breathing means taking in and giving out air, that's all. But respiration is much more this. Respiration means air, oxygen will go inside and it will break the food into pieces. Yes. Anything else? Hello, Spurti? Satisfied? Yes. Yes. Anybody else? No one is. No one is interested. Most of you people may leave the meeting also. I know. Only 53 are there. Only 53. And that is time is over, I know. Idiot, don't. Listen here, one important information. Tomorrow, Saturday, are you getting my point or not? Saturday 4 o'clock, your MCQ test will be conducted from physical and chemical changes. Okay. And tomorrow on Saturday, physical and chemical changes MCQ test will be conducted. And on Sunday also 4 o'clock weather, climate and adaptation chapter. Same thing will be on. Okay. Near about 50 questions I will give. Yes. So no homework app. Okay. So keep practicing. Next time, do you know the pattern is two type of questions are there. Okay. Tomorrow 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Okay. So thank you. Ask Supriya. Hmm? If we mix the ink with water, it is a physical change. It is not chemical change. Ah, that is there, but chemically they will not react. Okay? Chemically they will not react. For the chemical change, what should be there? That ingredients chemically they should react and they should form the product, new product, with the evolution of gas, with the production of sound, with the production of sound, with the release of energy or absorption of energy. There are characteristics of chemical change. Okay, now my time is finishing. Okay. Yes.